Hello friends. In this video I will tell you important and useful tips on growing zucchini. If you follow these tips, the zucchini harvest will be large, and the fruits will ripen one by one. As you can see on my zucchini plants, which are still small in size, they are still young, there are already so many baby zucchini. So many flowers and already a good harvest. Which will ripen in just a few days, and I will start collecting it. And the first rule is the choice of the most productive varieties. It is not the first year that I have been advising my viewers, subscribers, neighbors and friends to grow zucchini of the bush type. As you can see, the internodes of such zucchini are very short. They grow in a bush. And most importantly, female and male flowers are nearby. And this means that bees pollinate female flowers very quickly and 100%. As you can see now in the video, here is a male flower, it is without fruit. And this is a female flower next to him, he is already with a baby zucchini. And when pollen gets from a male flower to a female flower, it is pollinated and begins to grow. If pollination does not occur, this little female flower will turn yellow and fall off. This often happens on ordinary varieties of zucchini, which have a long stem like cucumbers. As possible, and another plus in favor of growing bush zucchini is that the adult plant is very compact and takes up very little space in the garden. As you can see, I grow 5 plants that fit on such a small plot of land. The distance between the plants is about 3 feet. And the next tip is proper watering. You need to water the zucchini every day in the evening. 1 gallon for each plant. The next tip is to mulch. Firstly, the harvest will be clean, because the fruits will not come into contact with the soil. Secondly, moisture will be retained longer. This will help the zucchini plant grow better and faster. And of course it is necessary to carry out fertilizing. It is better to feed with organic fertilizers, I have already told a lot about them in my videos this year. The frequency of fertilizing should be 1 every 2 weeks. Top dressing should be balanced. They should contain nitrogen for plant growth, phosphorus for the formation and growth of roots and potassium for the rapid ripening of fruits. And the best source of these elements is an infusion of chicken manure. And they are also present in fertilizers based on humic acids. Well, the last tip is to harvest in a timely manner. As soon as the zucchini have reached technical maturity, have grown about 8 inches, immediately collect them. Thus, you give the power of growth to the plant itself and the remaining fruits will grow up quickly. That will help to get a plentiful harvest without interruptions. Here are actually all the tips that I use every year in order to get a huge harvest of zucchini, and if you have any questions, ask in the comments. If you liked it, put a like. Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new, useful videos.